Ladies and gentlemen, Matthews here from Emmanuel Forex Traders. I'm here with a trade breakdown on how we managed to catch about 1 to 22 risk reward ratio on gold right here, capturing about 200 pips. So, for that and more, watch the rest of the video. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and actually start from the higher time frame, right? So, what was I seeing before taking this particular trade right here? So, on the 4-hour time frame, you see that the market has been going down has been going down right here since around 4 May, right? I've seen the market just trending to the downside. Therefore, I wanted to capitalize on that particular move, right? So, if you go to the 1-hour time frame, you're going to see that we had something significant right here. We had these big momentum candles right here to the upside. So we had a rally base drop, right? We had a rally base drop, and then right here we saw the market leaving out some liquidity right here. So what I waited for was for the price to take out this liquidity, come to our zone right here, and then potentially sell. So what I had to do is that I had to go to the lower time frame to actually try and find the order block where I would actually wait for the price to come to, right? So let me see if we can actually find the order block on the lower time frame right here. So I just had to get that low right here, that high, I mean, right there. Then I waited for price to come to that level right here. And you can see that the market came to that particular zone right there, and then just came to that zone right here. We saw the nice rejection, and we saw the market dropping the downside, these big momentum candles. Then it retraced a little bit, then consolidated yesterday, and then today we saw the market really going down with big momentum candles, and that's how the market actually came all the way to our take profit right here, which was around 200 pips. You can see that this is the 1 to 22 risk reward ratio right here. So this trade was actually shared with our private community yesterday right here in the afternoon around 4 p.m. You can see that this was the forecast. I mean the signal before all that happened. We saw the market giving us that rally based drop, then liquidity, the market coming to our zone right here, and then we waited for our confirmation, and after that we saw the market now going all the way to our take profit. And this was a really big trade. And if you stuck around and consumed all this profit, congratulations, because this was not easy, definitely, because the market didn't just go straight to our take profit. It kept on moving against us, and went in profit, and that's how it is. And you're supposed to be comfortable with that, right? Remember, you have to be comfortable being uncomfortable. The market is not a comfortable place, to be honest with you guys. So this was a perfect setup that turned out amazing. And like always, the market doesn't move in a straight line. So what you have to do is predefine the risk and accept the risk of that particular trade, and then take it. And also having that series of trade mindset, because that's what's going to keep you in the game long term. This was an absolutely beautiful trade, and as you've seen already, this was shared in our private community. And that's what we do. We focus pairs, we wait for our confirmations, and when we have our confirmation, we execute. That's what we do day in, day out. And this is how it is. Sometimes we have beautiful trades like this, sometimes we have small losses, and you can see our risk reward ratio is always this big. We have small losses and really monster winning trades right there, and that's how it's supposed to be. All right, so yeah, I just hope that you actually picked out something from this video. You can see that it wasn't a really perfect trade that actually went all the way. We saw the market going back and forth, and that's how it is. That's what we call that shaking off the weak longs and weak shorts, and the market is going to do that most of the time. So you have to be comfortable with how much you're risking, and how much you're really willing to lose, so that you don't get to be taken out when the market is just moving against you for a little bit. All right, so you guys, check out the links down in the description if you'd like to actually get into our mentorship community. The links are down in the description. Get lifetime mentorship and lifetime signals and all that. You guys, I hope you found value. Until next time, goodbye.